guys, welcome to YesWellness.com. My name's Danielle. And this is Erica.
And I'm nobody.
In today's video, we have 4 of our favorite spring cleaning products to share with you. These products are all natural, and you can feel good about using them because they're not only good for the environment, they're also good for your health. So let's get started. The first product is something we actually spoke about in our last video, which I'll link somewhere over here, and that is the Now Foods Lemon Essential Oil.
This one's one of my favorites.
It smells so good.
Smells
yeah,
so
it's
good.
a classic for spring cleaning, and it has a fresh, uplifting, and invigorating scent. And it's going to help deodorize and disinfect the air in your house. You have a couple options when using this one. You can either put it in your diffuser and it will help purify and cleanse the air, or you can also try adding a few drops into a spray bottle filled with water and use it as an all-natural surface cleaner. So.
Yeah, and it smells great too. So.
It does. Your home is going to smell really fresh after doing that.
Yeah.
And then product number 2 is going to be Poo-Pourri. And if you
Get with the 2. Product number 2.
That was very intentional.
Good puns.
So if you haven't heard of Poo-Pourri before, it's basically a before you go toilet spray. And
that's the number 2.
yes. So it's made out of a blend of natural essential oils and all natural compounds. And it works by creating a film or barrier on the water in your toilet bowl. So after doing your business, it's going to trap all those nasty odors underneath, and all you're going to smell is the scent you choose.
And Danielle was telling me about something earlier about on their website.
Yes, one guy left a review saying that Poo-Pourri saved his marriage.
So you guys have to check this stuff out.
You really do.
And it's fun because they come in travel sizes too, like really small ones you put in your pocket, in your purse, and anywhere you go.
Yes.
So
it's a must-have for the office, your home, and like Erica said, your purse.
yeah.
Once you try this stuff, you will never be able to live without it.
Do it for your relationship.
And I'll let Erica share her 2 favorite spring cleaning products with you guys.
Yeah, so one of my favorites is the Eco Cloths. I love them so much. They just seem like your regular everyday cloths, but what's really cool about them is that you use no chemicals, so you don't need any bleach or bathroom sprays or anything. You just use plain old water in a spray bottle and wipe over with the cloth. They have really thick microfibers that get rid of grease and grime and stuff and soak up any spills or messes. Plus, they get rid of 99% of the bacteria with just water in the cloth. It is super cool. And I use these at home. I've used these for like 2 years already, and they are amazing. They actually work. So next we're going to talk about the Nellie's Laundry Nuggets. These are really awesome because they are hypoallergenic. They're also eco-friendly and completely natural. They come in a perfect size in these little nuggets, so you don't have to worry about measuring in the cap and getting all messy and stuff like that. And what's nice about them too is you get your money's worth because a lot of laundry detergents are just mostly water.
Yeah, you're essentially paying for water.
Which is not cool.
Why?
What's the point? So we definitely suggest that you invest in the laundry nuggets, and they don't really have, because they're hypoallergenic, they have no scenting either, or you can get lavender scented ones, which is really nice.
So those were our 4 spring cleaning must-have products. We really do hope you guys give them a try. And if you do, leave a comment below and let us know which one's your favorite.
We will be checking.
Yes, we will be reading every comment. And you can find everything at YesWellness.com.
And we are...
We're done.
That's done. We're not thinking today. That's basically it.
All right. Bye,
Thanks
guys.
for joining us, guys. Bye.